Massive, massive, massive. Guys, if you're not part of Dynace Global, you are missing. Our latest launch product called collagen, alright? Sip, sleep, and shine. Right? Want to look younger, anti-aging, take this product. Want to sleep very well, having insomnia, this is the product for you. Now, this is our flagship product. This product was started with called the Dynace Center. This is not just a stem cell product, it contains NMM, alright, for energy power. This product is product that you need for you to actually live very long and activate your cell. And whatever can activate this cell in your body can heal anything in your body, and this is the product for you, alright? Now, this is the product for women, just for women, alright? Fame up, and they will come. This is for product that women that want to just look very sharp, has no libido, this is for you. This is not just for men, women. I told them that this product is for everybody. This product is for men that has this what belly, illegal structure, that's what I call it. And I want to take away the illegal structure. This product for you, amazing product. Right? You want to also detoxify yourself. This is a product for you. That's one. Then this is Oga at the top. This is what we call Oga at the top. Some men that used to, when they get to the bedroom, some of them to do their own match, they are giving their wife gist of Arsenal and Chelsea. What for? This product, when you get to the room, you play your own game and make sure it's not every time. This is our triple root for men that have weak erection, low libido, that are not functioning. This is the product for you. It's a fast-selling product of Dynace Global, so better get it. This is Ace Guard, alright? This is product that amplify your immunity and also help you to work. It's your defense. If you want to look very young, you want to also have your immune system very up. The reason for most people that are sick is because they have low immune system. Once your immune system is very high, you don't have any business with sickness. So this product will help you do that very fast. This product, you can take it off taking your soft drink every morning. Why not take this both for children, for adults, and everybody? I give this to my children every time. Before they go to school, I used to keep their immune system very high. So whatever happens in school, we don't affect them. Get ready for that. Then this is amazing, amazing, amazing new product. This is the first NM coffee in the world. NMM coffee, never seen, never had before. We have packaged that, so you're not just taking coffee, you are taking coffee that helps to reverse the aging process, also taking coffee that helps you to actually maintain a very healthy lifestyle. You also like sugar, this product for you, because this time sugar makes people to look very good, but with this product, no more sugar. Sugar is taken out, but we have replaced it with what we call the monk fruit. Monk fruit is a Chinese fruit that has over 100 health benefits. Helps to also reverse the aging process, and apart from that, it has so much of the health benefit. It boosts energy level, and finally, this product is good for people that have diabetes and heart issues. Alright, I've talked about it before, it's our collagen product. So guys, if you're not part of Dynace Global, you are missing. We are just starting. If you look at what I've shown you right now, you know that this company is planning for a long term. We are not just here for short term, long term. Factory is working, management is good, competition plan is amazing, product is awesome. Guys, this is the place. That's why I feel with confidence. I've discussed about collagen from the beginning. So get ready for something massive. If you are not part of Dynace Global, better get ready. Whoever you know that is doing Dynace, please call them, please help me. I want to be part of this business. I don't want to miss out. God bless you. See you at the top.